Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Reality Consult, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to practically demonstrate how to use the erase tool, in Arcgis desktop. Before you do that, you need to have your data set. I'm going to use the old data that I used in my previous video, that is the Ashanti region boundary, and we have the rows of Ghana. These are the two data sets I'm going to use to practically demonstrate how to use the erase tool. The erase tool can be accessed through the Arc toolbox. So when you come to Arc toolbox, you go to analysis tools, and then analysis tool, you go to overlay, that is overlay, and then this is erase. And with respect to the erase tool, this is how, if you want more information about how the tool is used, this is it. Create a feature of class by overlaying the input features with the polygons of the erase features. Only those portions of the input feature falling outside the erase features outside the boundaries are copied to the output feature class. That's it. And that's it. They will be erased, the middle. So with this, assuming that I want to carry out spatial analysis with respect to rows in Ghana, and I don't want all rows in Ashanti region to be part of my analysis, I can use the erase tool to erase all rows within the boundary of Ashanti region, and then conduct my analysis on all rows outside the boundary of Ashanti region. So, having explained the motives behind the erase tool, then let's carry out the operation. So this is the input features, and with the input features, you have to put the rows, and the erase feature is the boundary of Ashanti region. You can save this to any name that you want, and the place that you want to save it, it's here. XY tolerance is optional, you can put, and then you can click OK and wait for your processing to be completed. Our processing is successfully completed. So let's see the output. This is the boundaries. So you see, when you on this layer Ghana rows, when you turn off the Ghana rows, you see the hollow. You see it. This is the Ghana underscore rows erase. So you see all rows remain apart from only those rows found within the boundaries of Ashanti region. So I have erased all rows within Ashanti region, leaving other rows of other region. So basically, that is how to carry out erase operation using Arcgis desktop. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Kindly like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you very much. All the best.